Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the P1 earbuds. So guys, in the box you get a charging cable. It is a Type-C, so we know that it's an upgraded charging cable. You get a nice little user manual booklet. You get different ear extension, not extensions, but different size ears, need different size speaker covers in a way, I guess you could call them. Now, I'm pretty impressed with this. This is pretty cool looking. So it's transparent. This is actually the first one I've seen that is so transparent. So underneath here is where you charge it. And you just charge the box and this just pops right open. You got these cool blue light. So there you can see the blue light better. And comes on. That is really cool, guys. I like that a lot. Got the charging indicator light. So as soon as you pull these out, they're going to be trying to pair. So you just open up your device. If it's your MP3 player or your cell phone or whatever device, you just go under your Bluetooth settings and then connect to them. Once you connect, you're ready to go. So guys, this is how they look. They play good. Obviously, I've tested these off camera. So I would say probably about 10 minutes of testing. And they fit pretty good in your ears. Noise canceling is actually pretty surprising. So when you put them in your ear, it does block sound really well. That's impressive. They stay in your ear really well. I mean, they didn't budge at all. They didn't want to come out. So they good fitment, good sound. Overall, I would say they are a good quality. I'd say they are probably a little bit above average on earbuds. I've reviewed probably 100 by now, and I would say they're definitely above average. They're good earbuds. I like them. I think you guys are going to be happy.